you only need 3 back exercises to target the entire back. And you need one where it targets the lower portion of the lats, or lower to mid lats, let's say. And you want one that targets, the wings part of the, the upper part of the lats, because that's the one that gives you the, the wings, that wing look, Yeah, and we need one that targets the upper to mid back, aka, and this includes the traps and the rear delts as well. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you the 3 types of back exercises you guys should do, and I'll give you guys the 3 back exercises that I do, that I personally do, that does help me, that has helped me build a wider back. So the first exercise that you need to do to build the lower, let's start with the lower part of the lats, or lower to mid lats, let's say. This, and the exercise selections that you guys can do is, you've got pull-ups, and this is the one that I do. It's pull-ups, wide grip lat pull downs, or a single arm lat pull down. Any of these 3 is fine, but and the one that I do is pull-ups, like I said, because I just find pull-ups is way better than lat pull downs. But if you're a beginner, you don't know how to do pull-ups, then start off with the lat pull down, and maybe later on you can switch from doing a lat pull down to doing weighted pull-ups. But yeah, that's the first type of that's the first part done of the exercise variation. Now the second part of the exercise variation for the back is this one I'm going to cover, is for the upper to high lats. And this one could be, you've got quite a lot for this. You can even do a neutral grip lat pull down. You have the chest supported weighted back row. Yeah, chest supported weighted back row, and this can be done with the weighted exercise. I don't know what it's exactly called, but yeah, you can either do that one, or you can do the one in the cable. You can also do the cable rows as well for the upper to mid lats, to develop those, that wing look within your lats. And you can also do a chest supported dumbbell lat row, where you just sit on the incline, and then you keep your elbows tucked in, and you just lift the dumbbells up, and yeah, you can do that one. But the one that I personally do is the chest supported weighted back row. I prefer doing it weighted than doing it with the machine. Whichever one you guys want to do, you don't have to do the one that I'm doing, but just pick one variation of all of the exercises that I've listed, and whichever one you like, do it and stick to it. And yeah, so the last part which I'm going to cover is the upper to mid back. And the ones that you can do is again, you can do a chest supported upper back row with using the weights, or using a cable machine. Or you can do an incline dumbbell row with your elbows flared out, and that's the one I personally do. And you can even do wide grip pull-ups as well, but it won't really target the upper back to mid back really effectively. But the 3 I would recommend you guys to pick from is you can either do the chest support incline dumbbell row with the elbows flared out, or chest supported back row with the weights, or you can do the one with the cable machine. So yeah, those are the 3 type of back exercises that you guys should do, and you don't need to do more than 3. 3 back exercises is more than enough. Yeah, you only need to do 2 sets for each of these exercises, because we don't want to fall fatigued after doing 2 sets, and 2 sets is more than enough, especially for a compound exercise. And the way to structure it is, I'd recommend you guys to do a 1 top set, and then 1 back off / failure set, where you're just training to failure, basically. But yeah, that's it for me. If you want more information how I got this lean, then click the 12 to 50% body fat link down within the description of this video. If not, then the fact that you watched this video is good enough for me. And I'll see you lot in the next one.